Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Access Tech. Today we are going to talk about two very popular tools in nowadays. These tools are Smartlead and Instantly. Both of them are used for cold email and many people want to know which one is better for them. Cold email means sending email to new people, maybe for sales, for job or for businesses. Now it is important because email is still one of the easiest way to connect with people. So in this video I will share with you what Smartlead can do and what Instantly can do and which one is the right for you. Smartlead is an AI tool for cold email. Many people use it in nowadays because it helps to send email but it still looks natural. It has strong features like unlimited email accounts, warm-up system so your email does not go to spam, and also it has reply detection. It can send emails to thousands of people but still make the email look personal. So this is very good if you are doing big outreach for your business. Another thing about Smartlead is that has many integrations. So you can connect with CRM, Google Sheet and also with other tools. So it is very easy to use in your workflow. Now let's talk about Instantly. Instantly is an AI email tool and it has very fast to set up, and people like it because it's simple and it has clear dashboard. It also supports unlimited email account and it is good for scaling. Many agencies use Instantly because it is cheaper compared to some other tools, and it is easy to use to non-tech members and it is very easy to how to use it. Now Instantly also has the smart sending, so the tool knows how to send email step by step without looking the spam. So when we compare both, what is the difference? Smartlead has more advanced AI feature, more deep integration and very strong warm-up system. And Instantly is more simple, more clean and also a bit cheaper. So if you want more control, more automation and if you want to manage many clients, Smartlead is the best option for you. But if you are just starting cold email or if you want something very simple but still powerful, then Instantly is a good option for you. Now at the end of this video, both Smartlead and Instantly are strong in nowadays or for present time. So it depends on your use and preferences. Now if you want to scale fast with less money, Instantly is good for you. If you want to scale fast with less money, Instantly is a good choice. And if you want deep feature and advanced automation, then Smartlead is the best choice for you. So that's the comparison between Smartlead and Instantly. Don't forget to check the description below this video because I put the link where you can get official details, updated information and also the best deal. So this will help you to save your time and money. Now thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.